Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you are going to learn how to add a new account into your Instagram in the same device. So it's quite simple. First of all, you must go to your profile. So let's go tap into your profile. And now, as you can see, there's my username on top of my screen. If I click on it, I'm gonna have different accounts that I already have into my device. But at the end of these options, I have add account as an option. So here I have two different options: log into an existing account or create a new account. So let's make the example with login into the existing account. So here probably this is going to recognize the different accounts that you have, like Google in your Instagram. You can also click on none of the above. And here you can click on sign up. So you must write your username, click on next, and now the password that you have with that account. And that's it. Once you have tapped on next, there's going to be a new account into your Instagram. And remember, I'm going back into my profile. If you click on your username on top of your screen in your profile, you're going to be able to find the different accounts that you have in your same device. Thank you.